Hi everyone, Erica here with OmBody, and answering the question, why would I want to take on a cleanse in the spring? And so according to Ayurveda, the seasons have certain qualities to them, and those qualities are replicated or also mirrored in the body and the mind. And so in the winter time, there's a heaviness to the season. There's a sense of turning inward. We eat heavier, more grounding foods. We may not do as much activity, or if we're doing activity in the outdoors, we come back inside fairly quickly and for longer periods of time. There's less light, there's more darkness. And so all of these qualities of winter ask certain things of us, right? And we see that as the days get longer and lighter in spring and towards summer, there's a different energetic quality. We're wanting to be outside more. We're wanting to be more active. The food choices that we take on may be lighter or brighter, more fresh foods, etc. And the transition period between the two, winter, spring, can be an opportune time, all right, to cleanse and nourish the body, to prepare it for the season ahead. All right, so these border seasons, like spring, between winter and summer, can help to cleanse out the heaviness of winter, for example, and nourish us and prepare us for the lightness and more activity of the spring and the summertime. And so what do we call this gunk, this stuff, this heaviness? Some may refer to this as toxins in the body or in the mind that we like to clear out. All right. In Sanskrit and in Ayurveda, this gunk, all right, is called ama, A-M-A, ama. And it can be a physical ama, all right? Our digestion is sluggish, etc. We're feeling a heaviness in the body. It could be a mental heaviness. We're feeling like we're ruminating a lot, or not quite as creative as we would like to be. It can be an emotional heaviness, a feeling of sadness, grief, a weight on the heart, for example. And so clearing out that ama regularly, all right, especially in that border season of spring, can help to allow our ojas, O-J-A-S, our inner light, our inner radiance, that ojas, which is nourishing, radiant, brings life into our bones and our eyes and our personality. That ama can kind of cover up that ojas a bit or burn it out even. And so releasing that ama from the body, that gunk, mentally, emotionally, physically, and building that ojas, all right, that inner radiance, that fire, that nourishment within the body, is the task of an Ayurvedic cleanse. Okay? And so if you're feeling that sense of heaviness, whether it be physically, mentally, emotionally, as you move from winter and towards summer, I encourage you to join me for this Spring Cleanse workshop, where we will explore some simple practices that can bookend our days to anchor us as we go through this changing season, to clear out what we don't need, get the digestion fired up, right? Get the creativity in the mind up and running again, and also nourish the body so that we're not feeling depleted as we head into the summer and the more active months. So whether you're interested in more of a physical cleanse to improve the digestion, whether you're interested in more of a mental cleanse, all right, to clear out those thoughts that don't help you and bring in the ones that do, or feeling a little bit more lightness in the heart emotionally, please join me for the Spring Cleanse, which is Spring Cleanse Workshop and Practice, which is Wednesday, March 27th, here at the beautiful OmBody space, 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. We'll do some practice. We'll taste some Ayurveda-inspired foods that could be helpful for a physical cleanse, and we'll have some fun together. All right, so you can sign up on Schedulicity. You can give us a call here at the studio. The information is above or below. There is a discount through the 20th, so sign up early. There's 15% discount to sign up early. And otherwise, I look forward to seeing you very soon. Happy spring, everybody. It is coming. Take care.